Hey, have you ever opened Gemini, ready to pick up an important conversation, only to find your entire chat history has vanished? In today's video, I'm giving you the step-by-step guide to find, recover, and permanently protect your Gemini chat history so this never catches you off guard again. Hey guys, welcome back to 4D Dig. Back in February 2026, thousands of users faced the same nightmare when a sync bug wiped chats from the sidebar. The big February bug was fixed within days, but smaller issues like sudden restarts, missing history, or entire threads that just poof keep popping up. If your history disappears, it's usually because of server sync problems, accidental deletion, auto-clear settings kicking in, or corrupted cache. Let's fix the most common case first. Your chats are still on Google's servers, they're just not showing up. Step 1. Check Google My Activity. Go to myactivity.google.com in your browser and sign in with the same Google account you use for Gemini. On the left side, click Other Google Activity, then Gemini Apps Activity. You'll see every prompt and response listed by date. If it's here, your full conversation history is safe. Step 2. Force refresh Gemini. Go back to your Gemini. Press Shift+R to restart it. Step 3. Quick prompt trick. Type a keyword from the missing chat into the Gemini input box. Sometimes it pulls the old thread right back. Step 4. Check multiple accounts or Workspace. Double-check you're on the correct Google account. And check Gemini Apps Activity is turned on in your settings to avoid auto-delete surprises. Part 2. How to recover actually deleted Gemini chat history. What if the chat was actually deleted? The best official method is Google Takeout. Go to takeout.google.com and sign in. Click Deselect All and check only Gemini apps. Create export. Google will email you a zip file with your complete prompt history and generated files. It takes a bit of time, but this is the official way to pull back conversations that no longer appear anywhere else. Sometimes the problem isn't in the cloud, it's on your computer. Maybe you downloaded images, documents, or notes Gemini created, saved them locally, and then lost them because of a cache clear, system crash, or accidental deletion. One tool I've seen work really well for this exact scenario is Tenorshare 4D Dig. It's designed to recover deleted or lost files from your computer, even if they were part of a bigger folder of AI outputs. Launch Tenorshare 4D Dig, select a location where your data is located, and scan it. After a while, the deleted data will be displayed. You can recover photos, videos, movies, audio, and music. And you can preview them. Select the data you want to recover and choose a storage location. So there you have it, the complete playbook to recover lost Gemini chats and protect yourself for good. If this video saved your chats or gave you peace of mind, please drop a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you in the next one.